You're watching Fishing for Bass TV. Fishing for Bass TV. You're watching Fishing for Bass TV. Fishing for Bass TV. You're watching Fishing for Bass TV. Fishing for Bass TV. You're watching Fishing for Bass TV. Fishing for Bass TV. You're watching Fishing for Bass TV. Fishing for Bass TV. You're watching Fishing for Bass TV. Fishing for Bass TV. You're watching Fishing for Bass TV. Fishing for Bass TV. You're watching Fishing for Bass TV. Fishing for Bass TV.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Fishing for Bass TV. Got another video for you today, man. We were out here on Joe Pool Lake here in North Texas. It's a few days on the water. It's a compilation video. Hope you guys enjoy. Caught fish on a ton of different baits, top waters, some G-Crack baits, Strike King, some structure jigs, some Lucky Craft crankbaits, some drop shots. So caught a bunch of fish on a few different baits, and I do want to, before I go, guys, want to let you guys know that the 6 cents giveaway is coming up. I'll drop that details and unboxing video here in a couple days. And so a couple things you got to do to get entered to win that giveaway, guys. This month, you got to go to Instagram. Follow the Fishing for Bass TV Instagram page. It's Fishing for Bass TV, all one word. And then the details and unboxing video on YouTube. Like that video, drop a comment down below, let me know that you follow the Instagram. We will verify that you followed the Instagram. Drop a comment on the YouTube page on the details and unboxing video, and like that video, guys. That's how you get entered to win this one. And trying to build up the Instagram, so I'd appreciate the support. Also, guys, check me out on Omnia Fishing. I'm under FFBTV. And I put all the rods, the reel, the line, everything I'm using on the water, the baits and everything on fishing reports. I have some updated ones up now, so go check those out. So without further ado, guys, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I salute to every single one of you guys. Stay tuned for that giveaway. I'll see you on the next one. I'm out.
Yes, sir. On the Conda. Heck yeah, boys. That finesse swim jig, man. Heck yeah, there's number one. Hey, on that 6 cents Conda finesse swim jig, we will take it. Swim jig bite, so much fun. That 6 cents Conda, man. Finesse swim jig, we will take it. It's bright and early, man. It's not even 7 o'clock yet. And just throwing into some flooded brush, and we got one. Yes, sir. Let's go. Yes, there we go. Man, that thing shot out like a rocket. Heck yeah. Hey, that's a little guy, but we'll take it. And he took my worm on the G-Crack bellow stick. Threw next to this lay down. Hey, he bit it and freaking took off, man. That was crazy. I mean, he was like 10, 15 feet to the right in less than 2 seconds. Yes, sir, we'll take it. Look how dark that fish is from being down there in that stuff. Heck yeah. And that is a freaking giant, dude. Come on. Yes, dude. Heck yeah. And the hook popped out. We're all sorts of jacked up right now. That's a good one right there, guys. Heck yeah. Hey, there we go, guys. That's a good one right there on the bellows gill. There we go. Hey, there's number one on that lucky craft. Heck yeah, that's a little guy, but we'll take it. Yes, sir. Thank you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, dude. Let's go. I knew there'd be one somewhere in there. A little baby structure jig. There we go, guys. I knew there'd be one in there. We threw a bunch of different stuff. Got them on the baby structure jig. And it's green pumpkin and brown. And then I've got and my God, he wanted that on a speed crawl in the back. Little baby structure jig, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Come on. Yes, sir, dude. Oh, that's so much fun. Oh, that is so much fun. There we go, guys. On that hush frog, and he absolutely freaking destroyed it. There we go, guys. On that 6-inch hush frog, he absolutely destroyed it. That's a good one right there. Yes, sir. Let's go get some more, man. Dude, look how he ate it. Let's go. Dude, he swallowed that. Holy crap. He came and slurped it. I don't know how big this is. Dude, that was crazy. Is this even a fish? Yes, it is a fish. Dude. He came and slurped it, like didn't even bite it. Like, I can't even see his mouth. There it is. Boys. There we go. Yes, sir. Out of that brush. Heck yeah, dude. That's a little guy. That's a little fat boy. He's eating though. Heck yeah. A little fat boy out of that brush. Look at the chat. Yes, sir. Yeah, it's bigger than I thought. That's a little bit. A little chunk. That's a little bit. It's a little chunky chunk. Heck yeah, dude. Look how... Ooh, popped right out, man. Hey, we'll take it, though. Hey, there's number one of the day, guys. On what do you know? The G-Crack bellow stick, man. Look how dark that fish is, man. Sitting underneath all that crap over there. Freaking awesome. Love it. Was just throwing around the Buka trick shad in the same exact spot, and I threw the G-Crack in there and got bit. So they didn't want the big baits this morning, but we'll give them the little ones. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. out of the trolling motor. Yes, sir. Chill, bud. Chill. Chill. Hey, there we go, guys. On that drop shot. Yes, sir. Heck yeah. There we go. On the drop shot. Think he wanted that drop shot? I think he wanted the drop shot. And casting alongside this grass line, and saw a group of fish. There's probably like 10 of them together, and pitched in. Boop, got him. Heck yeah, dude. Let's go. On that hush frog. Heck yeah. There we go, guys. On that 6-inch hush frog, we'll take it. Just throwing it on top of this grass, man, and working it back. Heck yeah. Let's go. Let's get some more. Yes, sir. It's a little guy. The fish, though. Yes, sir. And I mean, little. It hooks on the bottom lip. I do not want to get hooked today. Hey, little bitty guy. Little bitty guy, guys, throwing next to a lay down. And on that G-crack bellow stick. I ruined my freaking bait for this little guy. Hey, but we'll take it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Chill, bud. Chill. There we go. Maybe they just wanted something different. Threw on the robo worm and got bit. The little 4-inch robo. It's a little guy, but hey, we'll take it. Made a little subtle change on the drop shot. Put the little 4-inch robo worm, and I forget the name of that color, but it's purple. And we got one. That's fish number 2. Hey, man, I've always said it. Big ones are fun, and yes, I'm targeting them, but I'll take them all. They're all fun, man. As long as I'm catching fish, I am good. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's number 1 of the day. Heck yeah, dude. On the squim jig. Hey, there we go. On that new Conda or something like that. I forget the name of this bait. It's that new 6-inch bait, though. It's that new finesse 6-inch swim jig. I think it's called the Conda. Yes, sir. And I mean, choked it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go, boys. That boy came up and smacked it. Skadoosh. Heck yeah, dudes. He came up and absolutely destroyed that frog. 6-inch hush frog, boys. That's a decent one. We will take it. And I pulled up here, man. These freaking little white bass are schooling everywhere. You can probably hear them. All those popping in the water, man. I caught a couple of them, had a little fun. But we got on the fish we're looking for. Let's go.